The feeling in extreme kayaking is being able, with your technique and your skill, to maintain some kind of control. And some people would call that a pseudo control because they say that Mother Nature can do what she wants with you whenever she wants. After the log choke falls and after the world record waterfall, I ceased to try to stop him. I ceased to try to talk him out of it. I'm not really sure if it's just in his mind, if it's a chip on his shoulder, if it's a little bit of both, if he just really has no fear. I really don't know.
Perhaps that's why people do extreme sports. We're tapping into something that gives us a feeling where we have some kind of control, at least within ourselves. You know, it's a place in which one can tap one's potential beyond that everyday self.